Hi everyone, I just wanted to post a quick video about the content for week 14. As you can see on your screen in front of you, I have the course module called up. You will click into the week 14 module. Once you are in the week 14 module, you'll click into the content folder here, so you'll launch that. In this folder here, you have a resource folder that contains some web resources highlighting some typical developmental milestones for first, second, and third grade children. And then there's one NACE article on supporting high quality curriculum in the primary grades. So please read through those resources. In addition to those resources, you have one video that you'll have to watch. This is a video that highlights the development of children from ages 5 to 8, so that will span that age range of primary aged students. Once you are done reading through all of that material and watching that video, you do have an assignment again, as always. The application assignment for this week is about why students in first, second, and third grade are more ready for formal gameplay in games with rules. So you're going to discuss why organized sports like baseball and basketball or games like Clue or Uno are developmentally appropriate for children that have reached this stage in their development. So again, make sure that you talk about the different developmental domains, the physical development, social emotional development, and cognitive development that is all part of why children at this age are more ready to play games with formal rules. So if you have any questions about that, or it doesn't make sense, if the content that you read through and the video that you watched, if it doesn't connect those pieces clearly enough and you need some more clarification, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me about that as well. So that assignment is due on Thursday, April the 30th. This is your final application assignment, so you can celebrate about that. In addition to the application assignment, you will have this Start Smart requirement due. So if you've already submitted this, then you don't have to worry about that. But if you haven't submitted it, then you need to make sure that you have downloaded the campus scavenger hunt here and that you have gone online to find out where these different places on campus are located. So this is what it'll look like here. So you'll have to look for these different places on campus, and then you will just list where they are located. So to meet this requirement, you must list the location of each center or resource. I need the building letter and room number, their hours of operation, and give a brief description of all the services they provide. So that's what that assignment will entail there. So that is also due on April the 30th as well. In addition to the scavenger hunt, you need to make sure that you have met with your guidance counselor. If you haven't already done that, again, I get an email every Monday and I know who has or hasn't met with their guidance counselor, so make sure that you have set up a meeting for that. And then everyone has already written a professional development plan because that was an assignment that was due earlier in the semester. So then all of your Start Smart requirements will be met as of April the 30th, as long as you get all of those things submitted. So that is what is due for week 14. I also wanted to point out, as we click down into week 15, that there will not be any content. So if you click in here, there's nothing there. Use this week to work on your observation paper. If you need any one-on-one time with me, please email me and I'll set up a conference for us. Week 16 is our final week. Again, you will be working on finalizing your observation paper. It is due on Monday, May the 11th. I will provide some additional information reminding you of what all is due on that date in the coming weeks, and then you'll be finished with the semester. So it's pretty exciting that we are almost completely done with the semester. Again, if you have not started that observation, project, make sure you click on this observation information link here. This is the link for all the videos that you need to watch. If you did not complete 8 or more observation hours in a center, you have to watch these videos. If you did not complete 8 or more hours in a center, you will be using these guidelines for that assignment. So make sure when you're watching the videos, you are taking notes on this content so that you can accurately reflect and apply your observations from the video. If you have any questions regarding this assignment, please let me know as soon as possible, as this assignment is coming due pretty quickly. So that's all I have for now. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. That's all I have for now. Take care and stay well.